giving step-by-step procedure. Let it cool. Copy the file, pay the bills, walk the dog, book a table, mail the letter, wrap the gift, pick a movie, set the table, click on file. Get dressed, park the car, cook the rice, tie your shoes, lock the door, wash the dishes, feed the cat. Click on Start. Open the map. Set the alarm. Make your bed. Set the timer. Click See Connect. Save your work. Type the title. Send an email. Post the update. Install the app. Catch the bus. Close the gate. Have breakfast. Start your day. Mix thoroughly. Grease the pan. Share the link. Mute the sound. Pour the batter. Highlight the text. Underline the title. Wake up on time. Test the device. Store leftovers. Slice and serve. Lock the screen. Format the disk. Export the file. Finish the project. Count the money. Brush your teeth. Sign the contract. Upload the photo. Open the folder. Connect to Wi-Fi. Unplug the cable. Start navigation. Wipe the surface. Select the route. Clean the screen. Preheat the oven. Set the time zone. Check for updates. Attach the cables. Adjust the volume. Charge the device. Import the photos. Reboot the system. Find your location. Turn off the alarm. Search for the app. Confirm your email. Sign out when done. Print the document. Turn on the device. Sync your contacts. Tighten the screws. Open the packaging. Assemble the parts. Position the device. Fold the laundry. Organize the files. Water the plants. Vacuum the carpet. Write the report. Clean the windows. Replace the light bulb. Switch off the lights. Check the weather. Defrost the freezer. Empty the trash. Shut the windows. Update the calendar. Answer the phone. Schedule the meeting. Plan the itinerary. Take a screenshot. Charge the battery. Answer the questions. Pack your suitcase. Mute the microphone. Confirm the booking. Navigate to the page. Turn down the volume. Steam the vegetables. Review the document. Update the software. Choose the ringtone. Install the drivers. Enter your password. Reset your password. Add the ingredients. Plug in the charger. Bake for 30 minutes. Adjust the settings. Restart the computer. Choose your language. Disable auto updates. Enable notifications. Create a new account. Fill in your details. Verify your identity. Fill in your details. Verify your identity. Insert the batteries. Calibrate the screen. Open the application. Keep away from water. Customize the toolbar. Close the application. Close the application. Snooze for 10 minutes. Store in a cool place. Replace the batteries. Protect from sunlight. Read the instructions. Follow the directions. Follow the directions. Press the power button. Log into your account. Merge onto the highway. Insert the memory card. Check the battery level. Delete unnecessary files. Delete unnecessary files. Select Preferences. Pair the Bluetooth device. Drag the icon to the dock. Manage your subscriptions. Arrive at the destination. Select New Document. Select New Document. Turn left at the intersection. Click on the verification link. Search for the destination. Enter the network password. Connect to the power source. Right-click to open the menu. Right-click to open the menu. Set up two-factor authentication.